In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high refresh rate. I saw a lot of questions in the comments about refresh rate and this SONY. So now I will show you exactly how to find and manage use high refresh rate option within few seconds. First of all, go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to tap on display section. Now click on high refresh rate and use this switcher next to use high refresh rate to activate it. As you can see, my switcher is blue. That means that high refresh rate is now enabled. But you can always disable it by tapping on the same switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!